The development of new types of transportation related to self-driving vehicles such as automated delivery. The advancement of self-driving technology has ushered in a new era of transportation, with autonomous vehicles being explored for various applications beyond passenger transportation. One such area of development is autonomous delivery, where self-driving vehicles are employed to revolutionize the way goods and packages are transported and delivered. This article examines the progress made in autonomous delivery and the implications of this emerging form of transportation. Autonomous delivery, also known as autonomous last-mile delivery, involves the use of self-driving vehicles to transport goods from a fulfillment center or a retailer to the final destination. These vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors, mapping technology, and artificial intelligence algorithms that enable them to navigate safely and efficiently in urban environments. Autonomous delivery offers several potential benefits, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved convenience for both businesses and consumers. One of the key advantages of autonomous delivery is its potential to enhance operational efficiency. Self-driving vehicles can optimize delivery routes based on real-time traffic data, reducing congestion and travel time. They can also operate around the clock, eliminating constraints associated with human drivers' working hours. This continuous operation ensures faster delivery times and improved customer satisfaction. Autonomous delivery systems can also facilitate route optimization based on package size, weight, and delivery preferences, enabling efficient use of resources and reducing overall transportation costs. Furthermore, autonomous delivery has the potential to reduce labor costs and dependency on human drivers. With self-driving vehicles, companies can minimize the need for human drivers, particularly for repetitive and time-consuming delivery tasks. This allows businesses to allocate human resources to more value-added activities, such as customer service or higher-level logistical operations. Moreover, the use of autonomous vehicles can mitigate labor shortages and address challenges associated with recruiting and retaining delivery drivers. Another advantage of autonomous delivery is the potential to enhance safety and reduce road accidents. Self-driving vehicles are equipped with advanced sensor systems that provide 360-degree awareness of their surroundings. They can detect and respond to potential hazards, such as pedestrians, cyclists, or unexpected obstacles, with faster reaction times compared to human drivers. By eliminating human error, which is a leading cause of accidents on the road, autonomous delivery systems have the potential to significantly improve road safety. In addition to these benefits, autonomous delivery can contribute to sustainability efforts. Self-driving vehicles can be designed to run on electric power, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution associated with traditional delivery vehicles. By optimizing routes and avoiding unnecessary trips, autonomous delivery systems can further minimize environmental impact. This eco-friendly approach aligns with the growing demand for sustainable and environmentally conscious transportation solutions. However, the widespread adoption of autonomous delivery still faces challenges and considerations. Regulatory frameworks and safety standards need to be developed and implemented to ensure the safe operation of autonomous vehicles on public roads. Ethical considerations, such as decision-making algorithms in complex scenarios, should be addressed to prioritize the safety of pedestrians and other road users. Additionally, Public acceptance and trust in autonomous delivery systems need to be fostered through transparent communication and education about the benefits and safeguards in place. The development of autonomous delivery systems also presents opportunities for innovative business models and market expansion.